Did you know that you can take the branding bundles and actually use them on your current website? Check this out. So, inside of your agent CRM account, you can add as many branding bundles as you want. We have branding bundles for 12 different verticals here. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you the final expense branding bundle. So, I'm going to click on Sites inside of my agent CRM account. You'll see the final expense funnel that we built out. We do have a full and complete website, and we are very proud of and looks amazing. However, if you do not want to use it, but you still want to use all of the bundle workflows and pipelines, no problem. So let me go into the forms. I'll click on the builder here, and then let me search for the form that we have for final expense. Here is the lead intake form for the final expense branding bundle. I'll click on this. On the top right, there is a button that says integrate. I click on that, and I have a few different options. I can integrate this form on a sticky sidebar as a polite slide in where it goes up on the site, as a pop up that shows up when somebody visits the site for the first time, or inline. Inline just means the form shows up where you put the embed code. So there's a couple different options here. Most people use inline, so I'm going to show that one. There's a few default options. I recommend keeping them as is, which is always show the form, have the form always activated and never deactivated. You'll copy that embed code and either send it to your developer to put on your site or put it on your existing website. It's HTML code that exists, and then click on done. So, what's going to happen now? Well, let me go into the workflows to show you where that lead is going to go. So, here's the final expense branding bundle. We'll go to the 1.0 lead generation. You'll notice that this is the 1.0 leads from ads or vendor or site. The trigger is already there. The funnel lead form submitted. It's listening for new leads from the lead intake form that I just showed you. When that form is submitted, then we add that person to the workflow stage of a new lead. We assign it to you. That's very important, or any user on your account. We notify you. You have a new lead. You have a new lead. And then we tag them. This is a final expense new lead. From there, we send them to the new lead campaign. In the 2.0 new lead campaign, that's when your new lead starts getting the emails and texts from you. As far as they're concerned, this all happens instantly because as soon as they fill out that form, they're going to be getting a text and email from you right away. From you, we're doing all the things necessary on the back end to make sure that this new lead is organized correctly, has all the notes about where they came from, and it is set up correctly so that there are no blanks in the emails or texts that get sent out. If you have any questions about this or need help setting it up, feel free to jump on our live Zoom call. We're here to help you out.